Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix no internet issue with your Wi-Fi on Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC or on your laptop and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi is connected but no internet, I have internet but if you're seeing no internet here, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go to this info icon here and just try to forget this network. So once you have forgotten this network, you just have to try to reconnect with this, and after reconnecting, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to try to restart your network router. If you have any router, so you can try to restart or reset your router, or you have to check if your router has internet access. So after checking that, you just have to go back. After restarting your router, you just have to go to search and here just search for CMD. Right click on it, click on run as administrator, and here you just have to enter the command. The first command is you ipconfig space slash release. Press enter. So after doing that, you just have to enter the second command, and here just enter second command here, which is ipconfig space slash renew. Press enter. So after the second command, you have to enter the third one. So here the third command is ipconfig space slash plus p, and that's just press enter. So these commands will completely reset your network setting, your IP configuration, your DNS, and everything you have set it. So after doing this, you have to enter the last command, which is netsh space winsock space reset. Press enter. It will completely reset your network setting. You can see you must restart the computer in order to complete the resets. After doing that, you have to restart your computer, and after restarting, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. So it will fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.